So we say that the deoxygenated blood will coming from the body will flows into the right atrium via the vena cava. Okay, once the right atrium has filled with the blood, the heart will give a little beat and the blood is pushed through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricles. And then the walls of the ventricles would contract so that the blood will be pushed into the pulmonary artery through the semilunar valve, which will prevent the blood flowing backwards into the heart. Okay, so the blood will traverse to the lungs and move through the capillaries past the alveoli, where the gas exchange will take place. And then this is also why there has to be a low pressure on this side of the heart, because the blood is going directly to the capillaries, which would burst under higher pressures. Okay, so after it leaves the lungs, it is now oxygen rich, which is oxygenated blood, but then returns to the left atrium via the pulmonary veins. Okay, so it passes through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. Okay, then we say the thicker muscle walls of the ventricle would contract strongly to push the blood forcefully into the aorta and all the way around the body. And then we say again, the semilunar valve in the aorta will prevent the blood flowing back down into the heart. A lot of the word, right? So that's why it's not, if you notice, I put down something in this way. What is it? Cannot, still cannot. It's not because of okay, then I think I need to write again. So you can build a diagram in this way. Actually, build a diagram in this way. And the one that I draw in blue color is having the deoxygenated blood. The one that I write in red colors one is carrying the oxygenated blood. Okay, so you can put down the diagrams at the last page. Okay, so the last page is the empty space. So we start from the blood coming from the bodies. Okay, it will be delivered back to the heart via the vena cava. Okay, vena cava. And then it will enter the right atrium. After entering the right atrium, it will pass through the tricuspid valve and then entering the right ventricle. So after entering the right ventricles, it will be pumped to pass through the semi-lunar valve, then being delivered through the pulmonary artery. Okay, then it comes to the lung to get the oxygen. So you get the oxygen in the lungs already, right? So it becomes oxygenated. Then it starts to go back already. So it will be delivered through the pulmonary veins to enter the left atrium. Then it will need to pass through the bicuspid valve and then enter the left ventricles. And then it will need to be pumped to pass through the semi-lunar valve. Then it will enter the aorta and then go to the bodies to take up the oxygen by the body, and then it recycles again. Okay, so it's important. You can use 2 different color pens to write down. Don't have. Okay, because then you know during which regions it will be in. It will have the deoxygenated blood, during which place it will have the oxygenated blood. Okay. Okay. So, was it too much information for today's already? I think so, right? Okay. I also very tired. And it was so much of the thing. So now I want you to try on the questions on page 22. Okay, so over here we say figure below shows the human heart and the man blood vessels. Question A, the function of the part of the heart and some of the blood vessels are given in the table below. Complete the table below. 1 row has been done for you. So you can use the letters from the diagram and also do the naming for the parts that have the correct description. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The first one, structure that separates the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood. What is this? Septum, right? Okay, septum. Septum. So which is the septum? F. Correct. This one.